This is YETI Rambler 26-ounce bottle. And this bottle is big, but it comes with the handle. And the handle is so comfortable that you can just take this one, go to everywhere. You see the handle? And it's right onto the top. Let's check the material. So it is made in the kitchen grade stainless steel 18-8. And it is vacuum insulated. And you can keep the cold stuff cold, hot stuff hot, BPA free and dishwasher safe. Also it got all kinds of colors, so for now I just grab like a basic dark blue. So let's check the cap. You see, this is the cap itself, very sturdy, very strong material, so it's also very comfortable. And look at this inside. It comes with a little thing that you can drink from the middle, right? You just open it, you start to drink, and close it. You don't need to worry about just like a big opening. No, especially if you are on a vehicle or you're just on the go. So it's not stable if you open like this. It is very good for you to do some sports, like if you go to the gym or you just go play. So grab this bottle, size is great, can give you just a half day's supply, and you can easily take it everywhere. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.